Now see.
All right, so starting off with organic chemistry. Now,
Yep.
in organic chemistry, we talk about organic compounds. For example, one of them, now many organic compounds हम उसमें देखेंगे different functional groups. Organic chemistry has a lot of different functional groups that are in your syllabus. ठीक है? जैसे कि one of them we have are the hydrocarbons. What do you mean by the term hydrocarbon?
Hydrocarbons they have only hydrogen and carbons.
Yes, they have only hydrogens and carbons. और इसके अंदर आगे दो और further types आती है जो हम देखेंगे, which are known as
Yeah.
alkanes
And alkenes.
and alkenes. Only these two are hydrocarbons. Other than this, we have some other functional groups as well. For example, alcohols. Now, alcohol is
Yeah.
not an hydrocarbon. Why do you think so?
Because it has the oxygen.
Exactly, because it also has an oxygen, CH और O आ जाते हैं. Alcohol
Yeah.
has a functional group of, वो भी हम functional groups भी आगे अभी discuss करेंगे. Other than this, what else do we have? We have in your syllabus the carboxylic acids.
Yep.
Another functional group that we're going to study is the carboxylic acids. ठीक है. Now, if we talk about their functional groups, alkanes can be represented by a carbon single bond carbon. Alkenes have a carbon double bond carbon. Alcohols have a OH functional group, and carboxylic acids have COOH. Got it?
Right. Yeah.
Other than that, if we talk about the general formula, alkanes general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Alkenes is CnH2n. Alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH. And carboxylic acid is CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Got it?
Yeah.
This is a whole summary of organic chemistry. Now, all of these are also included in a thing called a homologous series. Now, each of these have its own homologous series. What is a homologous series? Have you ever heard this name?
I have.
Okay. For example, if I write the homologous series of alkanes, now it's going to contain all the alkanes only. Okay. For example, it's going to start with methane, the one carbon. Okay. Methane would contain one carbon, CnH2n. 2n means C1, 2 and 2 fours are plus 2. So CH4 हो गया.
Right.
Next would be ethane. ठीक है.
Me.
Again,
Yeah.
so it would be C2H2
H6.
2 प्लस 2. अभी क्या हो जाएगा H2 इंटू 2 प्लस 2, तो इट मीन्स 4 प्लस 2, तो क्या हो जाएगा C2H6. गुड जॉब.
Yep.
ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वुड बी प्रोपेन. फॉर एग्जांपल, व्हाट वुड बी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ प्रोपेन?
C2H8.
गुड
No,
जॉब.
C3H8.
गुड.
Yeah.
C3H8. ब्यूटेन.
C4H10.
10. गुड. इसी तरह वी हैव homologous series for alkenes as well. For example, alkenes में there is no methane. Can you tell me the reason? It starts from ethene.
Yes, because they can maximum hold 4 carbons.
Good, exactly. So the formula for ethene would be, अब alkenes का क्या होता है general formula? CnH2n. So ethene would
Yeah.
be C2H4. ठीक है.
Yeah.
Propene, the hydrogens would just be the double of carbons.
Yep.
Propane was C3H8. Propene is C3H6. Butane was C4H10. Butene would be C4H8.
H8.
Good.
Yeah, just double.
Exactly. So we can also draw their structural formulas as well. For example, if someone asks you what's the structural formula of propane, C3H8. Now remember, carbon is in group number 4.
Yeah.
Group number 4 means that it can form 4 bonds maximum. It can maximum form 4 bonds. So
4. Yeah.
C3H8 में क्या हो जाएगा? 3 carbons like this, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogens आ जाएंगे. This would be the structural formula
Yeah.
for propane.
Yes. Propane. Propane, sorry.
Exactly. So if we draw it for propene, C3, H6. What would be the
H6.
difference? That three
Uh,
carbons would be there.
but
One of
the
them would be,
left and right hydrogens wouldn't be there.
ठीक है, यहाँ पे, but there's going to be a double bond. Now the one with
Double
the
bond.
double bond, ठीक है. Now let's see. Have I drawn all carbons with four bonds? All carbons are making four bonds. One,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, ठीक है. तो 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So
6.
you can see I didn't write any hydrogens over here because अगर मैं यहाँ बना देता फिर तो 5 bonds हो जाते, which we do not want. So this
Yeah.
is how we make it for propene. Can you tell me what are isomers?
The isomers, they have same molecular formula but different structural formula, I think.
Good.
Yeah.
Good job. It's gonna be the same molecular formula, but a different
So
structural
this is
formula.
prop 1 in,
Yeah, this is
and
इसमें तो
then
हो ही नहीं सकते. Prop 1 in. If you even draw the double bond over here, then this would become carbon 1. तो यहाँ भी prop 1 in
oh
होगा.
yeah.
In alkenes, it's gonna start from butene on. Butene onwards, yes, you can make isomers. For example,
Yeah.
अगर मैं बात करूँ,
But
let's
1 in and but 2 in.
good. ठीक है. अब C4H8 है. You can either
Yeah.
draw the double bond on the carbon number 1 over here or over here. It would be the same thing. Or you can draw the double bond in between. This would
Yeah.
be 2 in.
Exactly. Yeah.
If we talk about alkanes, C3 and C4H8. Up C4H8 can also be written in a branched form like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So here you
Yep.
can see I have made an isomer for butane. Now you can also make
Yep. Yeah.
positional isomerism भी थोड़ा सा discuss करें. Now what is positional isomerism? Let's say I have an alcohol. Let's talk about the alcohol pentanol. Now alcohols have a general formula of what? CnH2n plus 1 OH. So can you tell me the formula, the molecular formula for butanol?
So molecular formula
C4, then
butanol
yes,
C4H10.
no,
No.
2n plus 1 है. 2 into n would be 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus
So
1, 9.
9 CH9 OH.
C4H9 OH. This is the molecular formula for butanol. Now, what I can do, I'm going to draw a simple structural formula over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. ठीक है, और एक तरफ हम यहाँ पे बना देते हैं OH. The rest would be the 9 hydrogens. This
Yeah.
is butanol. Now इसका हम structural isomerism भी कर सकते हैं. If I draw a chain something like this और मैं यहाँ पे OH ले आऊँ. I can also do positional isomerism. What is positional isomerism? That you can basically change the position of the functional group. I can pick this functional group. It is right now attached on carbon number 1. This is butanol. I can take this OH and attach it in place of this H. तो यहाँ पे अब OH आ जाएगा और यहाँ पे H रह जाएगा. ठीक है. So now you can see that the OH is attached on carbon number 2 if we start counting from here. We always start counting from the place where the functional group is near to. So this becomes butan 2-ol.
Yeah.
This would be butan 2 also. This is the basics of isomerism as well. So basically in a homologous series अगर हम देखें, all of them would have the same chemical properties, but obviously they would all have different physical properties. Physical properties meaning that as the number of carbon atoms are going to increase down the group, what is going to happen? They are going to become more viscous. Viscous means thick. ठीक है. As the number of carbons increase, their boiling point would also be higher. Their melting point would also be higher. Their density would also increase. ठीक है. Their state change would
Yep.
also change. For example, methane, ethane, propane, ये gases होती हैं. Then comes liquids. Then नीचे जाते हैं आपका state जो है वो darker होता जाए. Color gets darker.
Yep.
ठीक है. So these are some properties if you're asked about the homologous series. These are all the properties of homologous series. So this was a quick introduction brief of Edexcel IGCSE organic chemistry. Now we'll start with alkanes and alkenes.